Ever wondered how to navigate the labyrinth of managing over 900 virtual machines? The challenges are immense, from preventing underutilization to avoiding over-provisioning of resources due to unpredictable demand. But fear not, because solutions are at hand. Enter Blackcoffer, a company that offers strategic solutions to these complex problems. In February of 2016, Blackcoffer joined forces with Transalta, Canada's largest clean electricity provider. The mission? To help manage Transalta's massive infrastructure of over 900 servers running on multiple operating systems and hosting a wide array of applications. The goals of the migration from VMware to AWS were clear and precise. Blackcoffer aimed to become an extension of Transalta's internal IT team, managing their entire infrastructure on AWS. They sought to determine migration costs, estimate potential savings, identify the business benefits of migrating, and ascertain the length and schedule of the migration. The migration process was comprehensive. It began with the design, migration, and validation of each individual application to AWS. This required the capability to automatically migrate thousands of applications from diverse environments. As the applications were migrated, the team optimized their new foundation, turned off old systems, and iteratively worked towards a modern operating model. The tools employed were many and varied, ranging from AWS Server Migration Service, AWS Database Migration Service, to VMware Cloud on AWS. To avoid overlap between on-premises and cloud VPCs, the team designed the virtual networks by creating appropriate CIDRs. A site-to-site VPN gateway was created due to the client's on-premises Cisco firewall ASA. The benefits of this migration process were many. It resulted in smoother operations, more efficient management of resources, and significant cost savings. But perhaps the most valuable outcome was the development of a sophisticated operating model that could handle the complexities of a large-scale virtual infrastructure. In an era of digital transformation, managing large numbers of virtual machines can be a daunting task. But with the right approach, strategic planning, and expert execution, companies like Blackcoffer are turning these challenges into opportunities for growth and efficiency. So if you're grappling with the complexities of managing a large virtual infrastructure, remember that solutions are not just possible, they're within reach.